Mapagpalang araw po sa ating lahat. Ako nga po pala si Angel Jen Agner at welcome po sa aking 365 Daily Devotion ni Pastor Russell Campo Seminary Edition. At ngayong araw po ay April 4, 2025 at ang topic po natin ngayong araw ay Eschatology. Katapusan na nga ba ng panahon and end times. And ang scripture po natin ngayong araw ay Revelation chapter 21 verse 1 to 4. Sabi po dito, a new heaven and a new earth. Then I saw a new heaven and a new earth, for the first heaven and the first earth has passed away, and there was no longer any sea. I saw the holy city, the new Jerusalem, coming down of heaven from God, prepared as a bride beautifully dressed for her husband. And I heard loud voice from the throne saying, look, God's dwelling place is now among the people, and he will dwell with them. They will be his people, and God himself will be with them and be their God. He will wipe every tear from their eyes. There will be no more death or mourning or crying or pain, for the older of passed away. And sa Tagalog po hindi natin basahin kasi po mahaba na siya. And yung concept po natin is, sabi po dito na yung eschatology is the study of the lasting God plan for the future, including Christ's return and final judgment and the renewal of all things. While some approach the future will fear, the Bible teaches us that God's sovereign extend to the end of history. For believers, eschatology is not about exclusion but about hope. Christ will return, justice will prevail, and God's kingdom will be fully realized. And ito po yung two major theological system, dispensationalism and reformed covenantal. And ito po, meron naman po tayong four views of rapture. Ito po yung pre-tribulation rapture, mild tribulation rapture, post-tribulation rapture, raptureless, non-escapist. And meron naman din po tayong tatlong views of the second coming, premillennialism and amillennialism, postmillennialism. And ito naman po yung common and essential victory of Christ. And yung teaching number 1 po natin, there are 3 crucial end times teachings. Number 1 po is God control the future. Sabi po dito yung sa eschatological is yung 3 times of crucial times na teachings natin doon is God control the futures, na makontrol na po ng ating Panginoong Diyos. At talagang nakontrol naman po talaga ng ating Panginoong Diyos yung future. And teaching number 2, Jesus will turn in glory. Sabi naman po dito na babalik daw po at mabubuhay ulit ang ating Panginoong Diyos dahil nga po sa glory ng ating Panginoong Diyos. And teaching number 3, creation will be restored. Sabi naman po dito na yung paggawa po ng creation, yung mga creation ng ating Panginoong Diyos is mababalik po ito, ma-restored. And application number 1, fear not but trust God for the future. Sabi naman po dito na apply po natin sa sarili natin na matakot po tayo hindi dahil na niniwala tayo sa ating Panginoong Diyos for the future. Huwag po tayong matakot na yung mga sinasabi nila na matatapos daw ang mundo, ganyan. Pero huwag po tayong matakot doon. But maniwala po tayo at magtiwala po tayo sa ating Panginoong Diyos na siya po yung nagbibigay sa atin ng future at siya yung nagkocontrol sa atin ng future. And application number 2, live with eschatological purpose. Sabi naman po dito na mabuhay po tayo ng may eschatological purpose na alam natin na yung ating Panginoong Diyos yung nagko-control ng future at alam natin na may hope at hindi ito katapusan lamang ng mundo. Alam natin na may hope sa mga nangyayari sa buhay natin. And application number 3, hope is Christ's return. Sabi naman po dito na apply po na sa sarili natin na alam po natin at naniniwala tayo na pagdating ng ating Panginoong Diyos ay may hope na pararating sa atin. And dahil lang po ngayong araw, maraming salamat. God bless.